The way that you can make people feel comfortable in your presence is by being comfortable with yourself. I can give some very basic things: smile, try to be lighthearted, try to ask them questions about themselves. That really helps people feel comfortable. And then also, if you can find some common interest, that's a common thing. Or I often will just like tell people what I did that last weekend just to try to like break the ice. I'll be like, oh yeah, I like went to this concert last weekend, or just like whatever was going on that day, or I'll show a picture on my phone just to like break the ice a little bit. I think that comes from being comfortable with yourself and knowing who you are and getting to a place where the validation that you need comes from within yourself. Of course, you want other people to like you and everything like that. But if you know who you are and if you know what your values are, and you're able to look at life like a dance or like a play or like a game or just as something fun, most of the time people just want to laugh and have fun. And I think that that's something that I've definitely worked on in my life, to try to connect with that playful, childlike energy in my life.